Hello there, I'm Yvonne DeCellis coming to you on Why Energy. It's November 5th, and this is actually a request video in response to one of the other videos I did. I got a comment back from someone who said she really liked the triple warmer exercise. So today's video is going to be a triple warmer video. I'm going to show you 3 different things you can do to help sedate your triple warmer. And for people who do not know what the triple warmer is, one sec, just really quickly need a sip of water. Sorry, I have MS and I take meds that cause dry mouth, so don't want to click. May do that a while. But anyway, to let you know, the very first one, triple warmer. First off, let me just explain what the triple warmer is. The triple warmer is where your body goes to when your fight, flight, or freeze response is stimulated, and that can cause a lot of health issues. The fight, flight, or freeze response is something we inherited from our ancestors, and when I say ancestors, I mean from way, way back in the beginning when humans were roaming the planet and we had to worry about things like getting eaten by tigers and things like that. So, you know, you'd see this, you'd sense danger and your body would tense up and you'd freak out, which was understandable back then. But we now live in a time where, knock on wood, that should not be necessary, but it does still keep happening. So these exercises I'm showing you will sedate that response, and it will help to calm you down. It'll calm your mind down, it'll calm your body down, and if you're having health problems, this can help you. So I'm going to show you 3 quick exercises. The first one is one I recently learned from a woman named Dr. Melanie Smith. I believe she's an energy healer and a chiropractor, and she's wonderful. This is a very easy one. We're going to lose eye contact for a few moments, but I'm just going to go through the exercise with you very quickly. It's very easy to do, just proper breathing. I do have a video, by the way, on how to make the most of your energy healing experience where I go in more in depth about what the proper breathing technique is. So I'm not going to go into it too heavily. Suffice it to say, the most important thing for us for now is when you breathe in, have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth. If you need more on that, just check out that video. I will put a link to it within the video, and I'll put it in the description as soon as I have a chance to do a table of contents. But anyway, you want to put the palms of your hands on your cheekbones. So put the palms of your hand on your cheekbones. And then what you want to do, I recommend you put your thumb across diagonally. And the reason why is because that's on the triple warmer meridian. So palms on your cheeks, index finger to pinky fingers on both hands on top of your head, and thumbs at the sides. Don't mind my headphones, they're kind of in the way, but I'm trying to show you the thumb placement. Hold your hands here. You don't have to actually be touching your eyes. Also, one other thing that might help too, if you rub your hands together really fast, get them nice and warm before you do this. That can help more because that can help warm the eyeball muscles. And then palms of hands on cheeks, thumbs at the sides, fingers on top. And let's just take a couple of deep in and out breaths. So in through the nose if possible, out through the mouth. You can let the tongue drop when you breathe out. Tongue up on the top of the mouth and breathe in and out. I'm going to cut that one short, but I would say just do that for as long as you need to. I usually find that about 4 in and out breaths does the trick for me. And again, I recommend holding your thumbs at the sides if you can. If not, just hold them out to the sides this way. That's fine. Do whatever works for you. But that's the very, very first one. The next one I want to show you, this is actually one that I have not seen before. I found this one on my own, and I don't think it technically has a name, so I guess I will name it. I'm going to call it the Triple Warmer Rub. I'm backing up here because I want to get as full view as possible. You know how you're cold and sometimes you do this when you're really, really cold? We do this because we're rubbing our triple warmer, and what I found works really well. So the triple warmer meridian starts on your ring finger. It goes all the way up the back of the arm, all the way up the back of the arm, up the neck. And again, my headphones are in the way, but it goes over the ear and out at the edge of the eyebrow. And I'm showing you that because I want to show you why I call this the triple warmer rub. Instead of doing this, I rub all the way down across to my hands, and then I rub back and I go all the way up. And I have to take the headphones off. I hope you can hear me. All the way up, and you go up. Sorry, I have earplugs in, or an earplug in, because I had a migraine earlier, but you go all the way up behind the ears, and then go all the way back down and just do that triple warmer rub, and just go as fast or as slow as you feel you need to. And now, just so you can hear me, so you know what I'm saying when I say to go behind the ear, just bring your index finger out and then just go back down. And you can do this as fast or as slow as what feels right to you. Sorry, by the way, if when I touch this is my microphone right now. Sorry if when I touch this it makes a bonking noise. I will try to stop doing that. But anyway, so again, you want to just do this as quick or as slow as you need to do, but you might notice a temperature shift when I do this. I feel a temperature and a pressure shift, and it goes down the back of my neck, and it sometimes goes all the way down my legs, but it's a pleasant sensation. So that's the triple warmer rub. The very last one I want to show you is what Donna Eden calls the triple warmer smoothie. This is another really effective triple warmer sedator. You want to start with your hands over your eyes, and again, if you want to rub your hands together and get them good and warm first, it can be really comforting to have warm hands in front of the eyeballs. So put your hands over your eyes. I'm not going to move my headphones for this one, but I think you'll understand what I'm saying when I say take a deep breath in. And then on the out breath, bring your hands back and over your ears, and then just move down the ears, and you can make a scrubbing motion with your hands on the way down. Go down your neck. And now when you get down your neck, go to your shoulders and just let your hands hang, like grab your back and let your arms hang off your back just for a few moments. And keep the deep breathing up while you're doing this. And then last but not least, so actually next to last, this is last when she does it, but I've added a move to this one. So what you want to do from here is just slide your hands down and in front of your heart chakra. I believe Donna said this brings you back to yourself. So you want to hold your heart chakra just for a few minutes or as long as you need to, because again, energy healing is all about what feels right to you. But when you're ready, if you wish, you can either end here or slide your hands back up so that your thumbs are touching both sides of your neck, and then just slide them down your shoulders, and you can give yourself little squeezes. All right, I'm going to start out here. Give yourself squeezes as you get down to your elbow, and then slide your hands across, put them into prayer position, and just hold it here for just a moment. And that's pretty much it. That's the entire exercise. So anyway, I hope those are helpful. And to my friend who requested the triple warmer videos, let me know what you think. I hope that helps you out too. Once again, thank you so much for everyone for coming to see my video, and thanks for listening to me babble. Just if you know anyone who could benefit from these exercises, could you please share this with them? I'm trying to get word out about my videos because I want to help as many people as I possibly can. Thanks as always for spending your time with me. I will be back again soon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. Peace and light. Cheers. By the way, I hope I was making eye contact with the right place. Cheers.